There's so much content on the web. Bird songs, tweets of the day, music, CDs, everywhere around you there's content. The joy is when you can bring this content and put it into your own artwork. Here's an artwork that I did of several birds which I want to put sound onto. So every publication I make, I give it its own unique number.
Please enter your publication
This one
code.
happens to be 6002.
6002. Publication is found.
So I put this all from the web, and if I touch that,
You are listening to a program from BBC Radio 4. Since they feed high in tall trees, the first clue that there's a lesser-spotted woodpecker about is this.
let's stop it, go to the tweet.
You are listening to a program from BBC Radio 4.
I can increase the volume.
The perky fluted is a stalwart of garden bird feeders. This popular British bird has a blue cap and
I'm
wing.
going to stop it. I see this bird always in the garden. Next time I must get a close-up of its head. I see this bird always in the garden. Next time I must get a close-up of its head. But anytime I want to, go back.
You are listening to a program from BBC Radio 4.
So isn't that great? Make as many publications as you like. They don't have to be precious. You can see how I can make it spontaneously. Throw it away if it's not important. Keep it in your ring-binded folder if you want to preserve it. What's more, if you really like what you want, you can upload this picture and its associated sound files onto the Bird Voice library for other people to share. The vivos.